Praise the Lord, friends. Today is December 14th. Today is Sabbath for the Jews, for the others, one more day of trading in the city. Remember the Sabbath and keep it holy. Exodus 28. Deuteronomy 5:12 tells us, the Lord your God commanded you to keep the Sabbath day. The Sabbath reminded the Jews of God's rest after the creation and of their deliverance from the Egyptian slavery. Mary and Joseph observed the day with due devotion. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us be rejoiced and be glad in it. As the psalmist sings, 118:24. Let us meditate. A seventh day comes in my march of life, the Sunday. With St. Jerome, I welcome it. They call it the day of the sun. It was on a Sunday that the Lord, the light of the world, rose from the dead and revealed the brilliant rays of healing. Secondly, on Sundays I go to the local church, not to fulfill an obligation, not to see or hear or participate in the Mass, but to be the people of God, celebrating with Jesus. After the event, I will take extra time to meet and mingle with others in useful conversations. For reference, Ephesians chapter 4 verses 1 to 6. Thirdly, every day is the Lord's gift to me. How many gifts I received so far date-wise? I will calculate and note down in my diary the number of days beginning from my birthday. Every morning I will add one more and offer it to the Lord with fresh gratitude and live that day as God's special grace day to me. Have a nice day. God bless you.